Hello, everybody. This is Firefox Recap, a daily, weekly, and monthly report for Firefox AI platform. I'm Diego Valdez.
I'm Tamor Hassan.
I'm Peter Mitchell.
And I'm Kate Sawtell. So our project started with a concern around privacy. Many browsing analysis tools send user data to the cloud, which raises serious privacy risks. So we designed Firefox Recap to analyze browsing behavior entirely on the user's machine, keeping their data private. The motivation behind this project was to give users a way to reflect on their digital habits without having to trade away their sensitive information. Our main objective was to develop a Firefox extension that generates visual categorized reports daily, weekly, and monthly using offline AI models. And importantly, we wanted the experience to be fun and engaging so users would actually enjoy exploring their digital habits, not just feel like they were reading another boring report.
Our approach was from the front end and the back end. We had React for seamless integration of the Firefox web extension framework. We did machine learning using Transformer.js, enabling in-browser topic classification without server dependencies. We also connected to the browser API, the Firefox web extension APIs for retrieving all of the browsing data, and then used version control and tools such as GitHub, web extensions, Transformer.js, PyTorch, and Onyx runtimes.
We had a few changes to original plan. So for the front end, we shifted from an individual slide component to an object-like approach to store slide content and for streamlining development. In terms of our user interface, we moved from a pop-up window to a new tab layout to better handle different screen sizes and improve usability. For a database, we switched from SQLite to Dexy.js for a more simpler approach. Browser-friendly storage with cleaner async code and easier integration into web apps. And lastly, for our backend, we rewrote it to align it with updated feature scopes and ensure a more maintainable and consistent architecture. All right, so what we learned from this project was, first of all, how to build a Firefox add-on. We learned how to fine-tune a model. We also learned how to fetch and process user browsing history securely using browser APIs. Um, the requirements for getting an add-on publicly listed onto the add-on store, and the importance of balancing privacy, activity, and utility in user-centered design.
All right, so I'm gonna go over the demonstration for our add-on, and this is we're on Firefox Nightly, and we're gonna open the add-on here. And before using the add-on, we need to click settings and make sure that trial ML permissions granted, and that's because our feature is currently in development, and this will be in June. This will be in the stable version of Firefox. So in order to use it, you just click day and it'll automatically fetch, classify, and store your data in the Dexy.js, which is a wrapper for IndexedDB, and it'll give you these slides. So each slide is using your data on local with classifications, and it's all done privately. And then each one of these prompts about your data is dynamically created and dynamically changing with different backgrounds and different prompts each time. And the model we use here is a BERT classification model, and it's used to classify URLs and titles with categories. And it's a multi-label classifier, so you can see what sort of sites that you visit the most based on that. And then the radar chart here displays the classifications from the model. The model also is designed for mobile use and low-end hardware, so it's pretty fast for around 1,000 entries. So once you have your day completed, you can also view week. And each prompt is different for week, and we have slightly different insights you can see for week. And you can see different stuff. So here, this is different, and then you can click forward and back between each. And it'll collate each, and then classifications only run once. And we have a recap summary at the end. So overall, that was the end of our demonstration. And thank you from all of us. And special thanks to our mentor, Tarek, at Firefox AI. He was our mentor, and he's the lead developer for the Firefox AI platform. And we appreciate all his help because without him, this wouldn't have been able to be done. Thank you.